Hey guys, Troy, Roadside RC here. I've kind of gone servo crazy here recently. If you've already seen the new Wraith, you're seeing the first crawling video with it out. We put this 35 kg ZOSKAY servo in it just recently. Really happy with it. Came with the servo horn. Been very excited. It seems like it works really well. And so since it went so well, kind of went servo crazy, right? Like beginning of the year, I went servo crazy. And so I got another one. I picked up another one of the same 35 kg servos. And then because I was kind of curious, there's a 25 kg. So what we're going to do today is we're going to look at this 25 kg servo and we're going to look at Logan's Arrma Talion. So if you've seen recently, Logan traded. He traded his Outcast. He got a Talion instead. Been enjoying it, but one of the things that you'll see in this Talion, we get the body off. One of the things in his Talion is, stock servo. And what's going to happen with that stock servo? Anybody who has an Arrma, you know what's going to happen. It's gonna let us down in a miserable way. And so it's not dead yet. It's actually in good shape as it sits, but we know that's temporary. And so what we're going to do today is we're going to throw this 25 kg servo into the Talion and see how it does, see what it looks like. I'm going to highly suggest, as if you are a subscriber and if you are a follower of our channel, stick around to the end of the video. There might be something there you might want to see. All right, let's put the servo in and see what it does. All right, now look at this. It is installed. That is one really cool servo. Now, one of the things I want you to notice, this is actually a 270-degree servo per the ranking on it, which means it has more steering throw than you really would need in this vehicle. So one of the things that you definitely need to do is turn down the endpoints. Right, so the endpoint adjustment on the knob here, make sure you're not over flexing that servo. You can turn the endpoints way down. It's hard to add. If you get a servo that doesn't have enough turning radius, you can't add more back. But with this, you can take it out, and that way you have Really good, really strong, really fast servo. And you can set the endpoints exactly where you want them. So, awesome. Very happy with that. All right, now we're doing this one just because somebody out there is going to be like, hey, so what? You showed us the servo turning the tires in the air while the car was off the ground. What does it matter? That doesn't show us anything. Who cares? So, all right, in the grass. There you go. Nice and strong, powerful, all good. Last thing. So, told you guys earlier, you should wait around till the end of the video, right? This is to represent and thank you folks who actually stick around for the whole videos. Not everybody does. I told you earlier, I picked up an extra 35kg servo. Guess what? This is one of you guys's. So if you've watched to the end of the video, if you're seeing this now, go down in the comments, write Roadside RC Rocks. Somewhere in your comment, you can hide it in there, you can be cryptic, you can do whatever you want. Put it in the comments somewhere. I'll leave this up for like a week or so, and then I will pick the winner. Random comment picker of anybody that put Roadside RC Rocks. I'll just randomly pick that, and I'll ship out almost a $40 35kg servo to you guys, honestly, just as a thank you for those who actually stick around and watch the whole videos. So, in the comments down below, Roadside RC Rocks, thank you.